A lot of students have the misconception that if you take two numbers, 1 plus 2, and square it, you can actually rewrite it as 1 squared plus 2 squared. And this is actually very wrong. If you take a look, 1 plus 2 all squared, if we calculate it, is 1 plus 2, which is 3 squared, which is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Now if you square 1, you get 1, and if you square 2, you get 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. The reason why this is wrong is because 1 plus 2 squared doesn't mean 1 squared plus 2 squared, but rather it means you multiply 1 plus 2 by itself. So you get 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 2, which gives you 9. So what we do usually, and this is known as binomial expansion, is to actually multiply the 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 1, and 2 by 2. Some know it as foiling because you can multiply the first together, 1 and 1, outside, 1 and 2, inside, 2 and 1, and last, 2 and 2. So in the end, you get 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1 plus 2 times 2. And then if we figure out what the answer is, or evaluate it, we get 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 9. So this is known as binomial expansion because these are binomials and then you're expanding it. What this is useful for is especially if you're doing binomial expansion with terms that have no number. So let's say you get a plus b squared. And again, it's not a squared plus b squared. That would be wrong. Just like we showed with the 1 plus 2 example. What instead you have to do is a plus b times itself, a plus b. And then we do binomial expansion by multiplying a with a with b with a, and b with b, giving us a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared, which gives us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And this is the correct way to do binomial expansion or FOIL. If you have any other math concepts that you want to go over or any tips you'd like, please leave it in the comments below.